So, ito na nga. Trip kong kumain ng ice cream. Bibili ako ng ice cream. Hindi ako marunong mag-French. Bahala na mamaya, okay? Ayan, bibili. Alam, walang price. Paano ba ito? Hindi ako marunong mag-French. Ayan, ang daming ice cream mo. Ayan. Intense? Yeah. And then, violet. Violet. Baka ubi yan. Baka ubi yung violet. Tingnan natin kung masarap yan. Inuubo ako. That's okay?
It's okay.
Thank
Merci.
you.
Au revoir.
Bye for now, Pocorol Island. Ayan. See you next time. Hopefully, we coming back here again. Merci, mon amour. Merci,
Had a
mon
great
amour.
time.
Yes. Ayan, ang daming yak. Asan ba yung yak ko? Hindi ko makita. Yung yacht ko. Yung yacht ko, may malaking letter M yun eh.
He's hiding behind the small thing over there.
Yes, super good. Ayan. Okay. Okay guys, see you later. Feel na feel ko pa pala yung aking ice cream. Sarap. Kahit inuubo ako, nangungo ako, makatikim na ng ice cream dito sa island na to. Sarap siya. Ayan, bye.